Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are talking about how you can see your Gmail password or recover your Gmail password. So guys, this is very simple steps. Simply, first of all, click on your Gmail. Now you can see your profile. Click on your profile. Now click on manage your Google account. Now guys, you can see security and sign in option. Simply click on it. Now scroll down to the end. Now guys, you can see password manager option. Simply click on it. Now you can see all your accounts passwords here. Simply click on google.com. Now guys, you can see all your Gmail and their passwords here. But guys, if you want to change your Gmail account password, so simply first of all, click on your Gmail and click on your profile. Select any Gmail suppose you want to change their password. When you select any Gmail, click on manage your Google account. Now guys, you can see Google password option. Simply tap on it. Now guys, you can see new password and confirm new password options. Simply add your new password and confirm your new password here. So your password will be completely changed. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.